And today marks 1 year of the lockdown, 1 year of the most tragic, desperate and heart-wrenching migration that took place in the country. NDTV covered several of these stories, and a year on, we have not forgotten. The next story brings you what is life for all these migrants a year on.
Among the most tragic visuals of India's coronavirus lockdown, this toddler trying to wake his dead mother, 35-year-old Avrina Parveen, at a railway platform in Bihar's Muzaffarpur in May last year. Like lakhs of migrant workers desperate to get home, Avrina and her family had boarded a train from Gujarat's Surat to Bihar. But Miss Parveen collapsed from hunger, heat and suffocation inside the train compartment. A year on, the child, who is from Bihar's Katihar, has been adopted by an NGO. But his family says nothing else has changed for them.
नीतीश कुमार कुछ दिया?
कोई लाभ भी नहीं दिया, कोई जवाब भी प्रयास नहीं, कुछ नहीं किया, उसका कोई मदद नहीं मिला.
In March last year, 42-year-old Abdul Salam walked and hitched truck rides for 1,300 kilometers from Gurugram in the national capital region all the way to Bihar's Katihar. A journey that took him 15 days. Mr. Salam returned to work in September, but it's not been the same for him and other migrant workers at this labor mandi.
आप लॉकडाउन में गए थे?
हाँ, लॉकडाउन में गए थे, पैदल गए थे, धक्के खा के गए थे, ट्रक में भैंसों की तरह भर के गए थे. अभी वापस आए हैं तो थोड़ा बहुत तो नॉर्मली ठीक हुआ था, लेकिन काम में स्थिति नहीं है, तो उसके वजह से दिक्कत होता है.
65-year-old Ram Bharose spends dawn to dusk at this labor mandi in Delhi's Lajpat Nagar labor chowk, sometimes with men and women half his age. All of his savings got exhausted last year in the lockdown, where there was no work and sometimes even nothing to eat. The senior citizen had gone back to his village in Rajasthan during the lockdown, but his children have refused to support him, and so he is back in the city.
काम नहीं मिल रहा सर, क्या काम नहीं मिल रहा, बैठ कर चले जाते हैं. कोई 5-6 दिन में एक दिहाड़ी लग गया तो उससे क्या खर्चा चलाएं, क्या किराया दें, क्या करें.
पेट भर के खाना हो जाता है?
खाते हैं, चटनी रोटी खा लेते हैं, सब्जी नहीं है तो चटनी बना के रोटी खा लेते हैं.
If any person comes to give work, they all try to get that. The lockdown has impacted everyone's income, and that's why lesser houses are being constructed, leading to these laborers not getting work. In New Delhi with Manoj Thakur and Saurabh Shukla, Usama Shab for NDTV.